Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for ways to make money online? If yes, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, we have compiled a list of the 30 best niches for making money online. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced marketer, this video will provide you with essential information to start making money online in the right direction. The first niche we recommend is affiliate marketing. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Affiliate marketing requires no initial investment and can be done from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. It is one of the most lucrative niches in the online space. Another profitable niche is e-commerce. It involves setting up an online store and selling products of your choice. E-commerce has gained popularity in recent years, and with the rise of platforms like Shopify, it has become easier to set up an online store. You can sell anything from jewelry to electronics, and there's a huge market for it. Blogging is another great way to make money online. If you have a passion for writing and love to share your ideas and thoughts on various topics, then blogging is for you. You can start a blog on any topic, from personal finance to food, and earn money through ads, sponsored posts, or even by creating your own products. Dropshipping is a low-risk, high-reward business model that allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. In dropshipping, you work with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. You only pay for the product when a customer makes a purchase. This niche has become extremely popular due to its low startup costs and flexibility. If you have expertise in a particular field or subject, then creating an online course can be a profitable niche for you. Many people are eager to learn new skills and are willing to pay for it. With platforms like Udemy and Teachable, it has become easier to create and sell online courses. Social media marketing involves promoting businesses or individuals on social media channels to increase their visibility and engagement. It involves creating content, managing social media accounts, and running ads. This niche has a huge demand, and with the rise of social media platforms, it has become a lucrative profession for many. A virtual assistant is a self-employed individual who provides administrative assistance to clients remotely. If you have good organizational skills and can perform tasks like data entry, customer service, or social media management, then becoming a virtual assistant is a profitable niche. You can work with clients from all over the world and earn a decent income.